In this video I'm going to teach you how to use the post format within our latest WordPress theme, Wordie. Basically what I did here is I created a post that has a title and some content. You guys can go ahead and do that as well. And after creating that post, in order to achieve some of the styling that you might have seen for our demo, we've implemented a couple of options that you can find right under the actual post. At the moment they may seem like a lot, but we're going to make sure that only the relevant styles come up for each post format that you want to include. At the moment we didn't implement that, and we have the format for absolutely everything that you can do with Wordie. So to start things off, I'm going to present the general post settings that are available with all post formats included within our theme. The first one, deactivate the subscribe footer. Some of the options found here are also available within the theme options panel that can be found right here. And you can set general values from the theme options panel, and then set particular values for each page within the page content if needed. So for example, for the subscribe footer panel, which is this bit, you might want to have that only on certain pages, so you would disable it from the Big Bang Themes options panel, but you would activate it from each post or each page available. So that being said, this is the subscribe footer panel if you guys want to use it. Then we have a layout choice, which is with sidebar or full width. That is pretty straightforward. This is a full width post, and this is a post that has a sidebar. Then you have the option to enable or disable the recent posts for each individual post, this area right here, and this as well can be set as a general option from the theme options panel, but as well can be set specifically to show or not within each of your posts. After that we have a big header featured image option, which is this one here. This will take your featured image, so the one you would set right here, it would take that and make it into a really big image at the top of your post. This style is available for the post that has a full width version as well as a sidebar one. So this is just an example, but you can also use this with a sidebar. Then we have a display author image and name area. For this, of course, you would have to fill up the information needed within users, all users, or your profile, and set up your name and things like that, and your image. And then the post would have a greeting from you and an image with yourself, and of course the content. The next option is a subtitle. That's pretty much straightforward. It would look something similar to this, only it would be whatever you would wish to set here. And then you have the option of inserting a post background. Just use the upload button and then simply do things just the way you would do it for any other image upload in WordPress, and then it would look something like this. So this is the style for the image background version of our posts. This general post setting area will appear within absolutely all post formats that you choose to use, but then according to the post format that you choose over here, some of the options you can see here will be available and some won't. That being said, if you want, for example, to create a quote post, you will have to to choose the quote, the standard post setting will disappear from here, and you will only be able to see the quote where you can fill in whatever info you want. The same goes for the other post formats as well. Let's take gallery for an instant. You would have for the gallery to come and insert your images, for example, then create a gallery and hit create new gallery, insert it within your post, and then you can choose whether to display it in a masonry style or in a slider style. For the video, for example, you should choose the format video from here, and then you have an input right here that needs an embed code. For the embed code, you should go to YouTube, Vimeo, or whatever other such websites and hit the share button, look for embed, and then copy this code and take it and paste it right here, and then don't worry about the rest of the code that it has within it. We've already optimized our theme to work with that, so just hit the update and you'll have a video post. The same goes for playlists. For example, if you find a playlist within Facebook, you would go to that, then you would hit share embed. Well, it's unfortunate this one has the embedding disabled, but you get the idea. The same goes for our audio post. We have two formats here. If you guys want to use your own audio, which will be hosted within your WordPress theme, upload it here, hit on it, hit the insert button. Let's see if I still have a video. Okay, so audio, hit on it, insert into post, and then update, and that is pretty much everything you need to do, and our theme will take it from there. But we also have an embed area for songs from SoundCloud, so that one will look, let me search for it. Audio, SoundCloud. So that one will look something like this. This is a post that comes directly from SoundCloud. And then finally, for the link post format, you have the link URL here, which can be anything else except for your blog, of course. So you can put Facebook, for example, and then this would be the label of the link. Click my button. That's pretty much everything you should know about post formats. Of course, we still have the tags and the categories and the featured image, but those are standard WordPress functions that you should already be familiar with. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and have a great day. Cheers.